Grenade exploded outside the residence of Dr. Amit in Bamunlaikai in Imphal East district. According to the source, the incident occurred around 8 p.m. on Tuesday, causing panic in the neighborhood. The blast caused by a hand grenade completely destroyed a nearby four-wheeler, and one girl received minor injury. Additionally, an unexploded grenade was found at the scene. Upon information, Imphal East police officials arrived at the scene to secure the area and begin an investigation. The Manipur Police Bomb Disposal Squad was also deployed to safely defuse the unexploded grenade, preventing further potential danger. The motive and perpetrators behind the attack remain unknown and further investigation is underway, the source added.
Grenade Pokayaga, Garibu Michapa, Danga Soplicing was a Garimarino Highway Kangade, a hundred of the Haibu Kalande, Pokara Gari Micha, Karikari to Mayam, the Kaitan, the Nagas, Gari Micha, who can never listen to his some Torpedi, Manaka Grenade Mutarbo. Rakati Tekana, who we open Hangamaton, the Kaki, Yamazigana, Mana Hakimatuna, me and Katlai, Laganda, Hamada, Gunamani, Akrai Hangmaton Zita. Gunamani Kobadi was a Kangde, Gunamani Kobadi Satellite, Ado Sanakan Han, Club Mahumio, when a Kalamazia and have to get when a mobile jet or Dr. Amiti Mayumina, Haripodi, the senior Hagan, Hakamoji Poti, and the Langamutin, you or Male. The Husiponga Ega directly, I want the threat or Panatagana demand or Italy, Siboga. Karimamit or I was a quick age of Hatagamdri. Karimarum is minus if you don't me, I am labor, even if my effect or can you have as I use in Martin Topum to three. The Karimu Legaso, the phone of the Heavy Road, some noise, Hanavi in the Aramagaso, Presamia, Adam Torah, some branches of Yavang. Smite of the law, use the Mimiam, Leva Maricida, so open Yawi, if you may take to city. Levamasa, Moina, a Tobigan Oina, a Nigeria. The Kayum item Legaso, you will tell you as a person who be wrote in Lapsage. Iran Legamosa companies will give you a guide. The Sibody, me, Magna, Iran, they know, talk to the top of the Valley.